Hi, I'm Lauren. I am one of the aesthetic providers here at Colorado Plastic Surgery Center, and we are going to be talking about PRP, which is platelet-rich plasma. PRP is packed with growth factors, which in turn stimulate collagen and elastin, which help improve fine lines, wrinkles, texture of the skin, and even can improve hair growth. This is a great treatment because it's safe and natural and uses your own body products to either be injected into deep lines or wrinkles. It's great for the under eyes and also paired with microneedling. So what we do is draw your blood, and then we spin that blood down, and it separates the blood from the platelet-rich plasma. We draw up the platelet-rich plasma, and then we inject it into the areas of concern, either with a small needle or a blunt cannula. For ideal results, we do recommend a series of treatments, and we do recommend maintenance as well. And with this treatment, you need to be patient because results are also seen over time.